Yo, what's up guys, my name is Clutch, and today's video I'll be showing you the newest method to AFK farm in Anime Expeditions, the Expeditions game mode. And as we all know, they patched the auto farm, they don't even have the auto play system in the Expeditions game mode, nor you can't tiny task, but I actually found a new method on how to tiny task the Expeditions method game mode. And there's plenty of people that wants Prodigy. To get Prodigy, you need 350 mechanical scraps, and you get it by Expeditions. So I'm gonna show you how to AFK farm the Expeditions game mode. Alright, so I'm choosing difficulty. I'm gonna go with difficulty 2. Bro, lower your ego. You don't need difficulty 3. Statistically, it's proven that difficulty 3 as single player will lead to a loss, and you'll get more in difficulty 2 or difficulty 1. Okay, so now we're here. First thing first, you're gonna zoom out like me, like this. Something like this. Check your settings, click on Unit Manager, Auto Upgrade active, Phantom Placing active, Settings, Gameplay, Auto Retry. Do not show match and rewards. Low detail mode, yeah, whatever if you want, so your PC doesn't get fried. And then auto skip waves. So I've actually made a tiny task macro that you can just download if your resolution is the same as mine. I will write down my resolution, link in my comments of my Discord and everything. Every information will be in my comments and description. But before I show you my macro, I'm just gonna summarize what I will do so you understand. So basically, how they patch the AFK farm, it's that they have put an NPC that you have to talk to in a new round, and because of that you have to move and then talk to the NPC and then get back to the van, which is kinda complicated if you want an AFK farm. So I'm gonna tell you what to do and then I will show you my macro. So the first thing you do, don't move your screen, only your mouse, and have your screen like this. The first thing you do when you record, okay, so let's say I record. The first thing I do, I go to settings, I click on teleport spawn, I spam it, click on X, go here, down, and then always to the NPC that is over here, and then just spam the buttons over here. So just spam like this, bam 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 bam, and now when you're done, click something like this, continue, continue. So when you have clicked to continue, you'll get back to the payload, and now the last thing you do is put your units. You can, I'm just gonna spam it, cause whatever, something like this. Yeah. And after you spam the units, then you can end your tiny task and make it as a loop. And that's about it. So now I'm gonna show you my tiny task so you can see as a reference. Trust me guys, it will look really sketchy, but I'm gonna leave my PC for maybe like 30 minutes and I'm gonna prove you that it's working. So always play speed 1x, continuous playback, of course. So this is what it will look like. I will click on play. I go to settings, as I said, teleport to spawn. I click on X, and then I will move like this, and I will talk to the NPC. So I will just spam for a while. So I make sure that I have talked to the NPC, because if you can't talk to the NPC, then you can't uh, go forth to the next stages and waves. And when I'm sure that I have talked to the NPC, I click on next. And now I will put my units. If you have Megumi, it's really good. The Mahuraga is carrying. If you have Itachi, that is also really good. 8th sword, perfect. I'm just having Kakarot because, yeah, I mean Goku because, yeah, why not? And yeah, that's about it. So now, this is a perfect example. We've stopped to a station where you have to move and continue the waves. So let's see how it goes. Right now I'm talking to an NPC that I have to talk to, if that's the scenario. I'm spamming the dialogue, and now I click on continue so we can go forth to the waves. And yeah, that's about it. So if you don't believe me, you can see stage info, then you can see the session time. I'm gonna have this for a very long time, maybe like 30 minutes. I'm gonna go take a shower, I'm gonna go clean, stuff like that. While that, I'm gonna prove you that this works. So I'll see you in a while. So, alright. Stage info. Session time 19 minutes. Match played. It works. You can see the stuff here. Yeah, what happened? Huh? Yeah, this wouldn't work. Yeah, guys, as you guys can see, it works perfectly. I'm just a genius when it comes to tower game modes, story game modes, expeditions game modes. I'm doing this, bro. It's only me. But yeah, guys, I'll put this record in my Discord, and I'll put my resolution there. And yeah, that's about it. So you can always make your own tiny task now when I showed you step by step how to do it. But yeah, guys, make sure to like, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. If you have some questions, then you can ask them in my comments or in my Discord. I'll always answer. But yeah, guys, bye.